Aku tak tahulah babi apa kau makan. Babi yang tengah hayuk lepas tu kau termakan kan. I don't know. But somehow I never see an addiction. It's not an addiction. It's more of a...
Ada kawan-kawan yang reverts lah. Yang baru Islam, the Chinese one dan sebagainya. So mostly some of them orang rasa, ini aku masuk Islam ni tapi satu benda paling susah. Aku tak boleh tinggalkan babi.
Tak apa. Babi dah meninggalkan mereka yang risau. Nanti kita bincang pasal babi.
Sedap gila.
Ya, memang sedap gila.
Do you have that problem? Just asking.
I don't have the problem.
Okay dah, tu je.
I don't have the problem.
Because that really macam, sedap gila ni macam.
No, dia macam ni lah. I'm a self-claimed pork lover. I never deny the fact that I love pork. Now, why do I stop eating pork? Not because I hate pork. No, I don't. It's just because, as a Muslim, I respect my own decision to embrace this religion, and nobody forced me to embrace this religion. When nobody forced me to embrace this religion, meaning I embrace this religion willingly, meaning I myself must respect my own decision before I'm asking other people to respect my decision. So what is this religion is telling me? This religion tell me, don't drink alcohol, don't gamble, okay, don't eat pork. So if I'm the one who accept this religion, who say the Shahada, I'm not going to respect my own decision. How should I expect other people to respect my decision?
Oh, Masya Allah. Wow. Because macam kadang-kadang macam ada orang dah terbiasa daripada kecil. I'm not talking about makan babi je lah. Macam benda-benda lain juga kan. Macam dia dah terbiasa dengan benda-benda yang diharamkan Islam. Tapi oleh kerana, yelah dia nak masuk Islam tapi macam susah aku nak tinggalkan.
I'm not encouraging you to eat. But bagi those new Muslim yang ada struggle, I understand the struggle. Because setiap orang punya willpower berbeza. Kita punya perspektif berbeza. But I would just say, before benda tu menjadi you punya habit, okay? Tabiat makan tu adalah tabiat, habit juga.
Betul.
Good habit is a habit, bad habit is a habit.
Still a habit.
Now, how does the habit become a habit? It's because you start small. How does smoking become a smoking habit? You don't start to smoke by smoking 1 pack per day or 2 pack per day. You start by cuba sikit. Cuba sikit kan? Now, likewise, the way to stop that habit or to create a new habit is that reverse engineer it, bro. Kalau dulu engkau boleh start makan sikit-sikit, lama-lama jalan bukit, daripada kulit babi, kau makan daging babi, daripada lepas tu kau makan 3 layer, lepas tu kau dah makan seekor babi. Now, sekarang ni daripada engkau terus kau stop sebalik seekor tu memang susah lah. Okay, satu hari tu kau kurangkan lah sikit, 10 gram, 100 gram, 100 gram, 100 gram. Lama-lama, reverse engineer, the habit tu, you akan dehabitkan dia.
For your case, you cold turkey terus. Masya Allah.
Bro, dia macam ni je. As a salesperson, we just talk about salesperson. Now, if you want to buy something from me, but you say, you want to think about it. You say you want to think about it. Now I'm teaching you sales pula. Alamak.
Okay lah, bagus lah.
Okay. You say, and I ask you, you want to think about it. Okay, I say good. To think about things is good because that shows that you are a thinking person. But I'm going to ask you, do you believe that this product or these services will be beneficial to you? If you say yes, then I say, why delay the benefit of it? Why delay of enjoying that benefit that this thing will help you? It's just a shifting of the mindset kan. So bagi saya, nak berhenti makan babi, okay, no problem. Tak adalah aku mati pun. Dia bukan macam withdrawal minum arak ataupun hisap rokok. Kalau hisap rokok mungkin saya rasa withdrawal ada. Sebab dia ada drugs. Tapi babi tak ada drugs kot.
Faham.
Babi tak ada drugs. Tahu saya babi tak ada drugs. Aku tak tahulah babi apa kau makan. Babi yang tengah high on drugs, lepas tu dia kena lepas tu kau termakan kan. I don't know. But somehow I never see an addiction. It's not an addiction. It's more of an identity wise. I'm a Chinese man. Chinese tak makan babi ni. Mana Chinese-nya? But that thinking is false. Why? Now how about those Chinese who is vegetarian? They no longer become a Chinese?
Right.